Mark. What's the new project?
Getting a start on the Salon table here is what I'm making. So it's going to be maple. And I'm not sure how the support system will work yet, but I've got some ideas, maybe a natural crook knee to support it or something. Flattening power too. Making the Salon table for Eleutheros, and it's a wedge-shaped table, and I didn't want to simply glue up a rectangle and cut it down. So each piece of the glue up is tapered, and then to support the table, I've got this knee, which is larch, otherwise known as tamarack or hackmatack, and even juniper in some places. So it's obviously not very flat right now. I got to flatten it out, and I've got to cut it more to a square. This is a natural crook, which is sawn out of the stump of the tree. So this is the root. The larch has a very nice natural, comes off almost 90 degrees at the bottom of the tree, so you can make good knees out of that. And I've just decided to do this rather than laminate a knee. I can just use a natural crook to do it. It's just more aesthetic to me. If I can use a natural crook without laminating, then that works quite nicely. take this down to the boat shed here and see if they'll let me run it through their planer.
It looks nice.
It does. It's really nice. Yeah. I'll be making a final cut on the bandsaw later for that curve. But for now, that's good. Not 100% sure how long this end is going to be. So yeah, that'll be the support for the table. Actually, it'll be this way. And it'll probably end up about there because the big floor timber that it attaches to is, this will be overhanging.
Yeah.
A little bit. So, like that.
Please like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps us out. Thanks for watching.